Welcome back to JB ADV, everybody. Thank you for watching part 1. This is going to be part 2 of us going up to Pachaug State Forest up in Connecticut, and it was an absolute blast so far. We just got done riding with 2 gentlemen in the morning, and they took us on a beautiful tour of what the state forest had to offer so far. We came back, had some lunch, set up our campsite, and now with some food in us, we're ready to head back out and see what else the place has to offer before it gets dark and before we can just hang out and have a good time by some campfire. So we are heading out. We're going to follow the Enduro route for what the main loop is here at the forest. We heard that it's a lot harder and that it's a little bit harder to navigate. Nonetheless, we are willing to give it a shot. So I have it preloaded up on my phone here for where the loop is. So that's what we were going to do. We had no idea what we were in store for, but it was an absolute blast and we loved it. This place has even more to offer than what we managed to ride in this one day. The next morning ended up being way too cold for us to ride, to be honest with you. And it was pretty overcast and even a little drizzly in the morning. There were some people that were unloading, but we were willing to just head home and save the rest for what this place had to offer for the next time that we come up here, because we definitely want to come back. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Enjoy this video. It is an absolute blast of a ride, and I hope you guys appreciate the video as much as we loved riding. So sit back, enjoy the ride, like the video. Make sure you subscribe because part 3 is going to be coming real soon as well. And thank you very much, guys. See you soon.
We went earlier, but instead of us taking a left down here, we're going to take a right, and it's going to kind of loop us that way now. So this is apparently a trail right here. It's the one we could take if you want. I don't know. It looks like it could be adventurous. Actually, yeah, you know what? This is the trail that's marked on my dash. So yeah, let's try it. Nothing we can't handle so far. Oh, this is the video that I watched them do. I'm just trying to figure out my best line here. Yeah, so this is definitely like the Enduro here. I'm just trying to figure out my best line. Oh, this is not so bad right here. Go the way I just did. That was not bad at all. Just a little bouncy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're into some serious single track. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, it's marked in the woods here, for the record. There is some arrows in the woods here. Oh, and a freaking log. Jeez. Whew. Oh. That's okay. Woo! Yep. Yeah. This is some Enduro here. This is fun though. I think it's fun anyway. It's challenging in a good way. We've made it through half of this trail so far, just so you know. Yes. So, if this is the worst that this place has to offer, I'm down. Like, this is awesome. This is actually a really good trail, though. I like it. Oh boy. Yeah, that's what I said. I think I'm gonna try this path. Oh, well, I'm gonna let you know what trouble I get in here. Uh-oh. I think I actually see a not so bad way to go. It looks bad, but I don't think it's actually all that bad. Yeah, not so bad.
I'm in the... Oh, I see. There we go. Alright, let me... Oh. Am I like... floating? Am I floating? I feel like I'm floating. Oh, I think I feel it. Oh, oh God, this is. Oh. Okay. Yeah, straight.
Yeah, there you go. I'll meet you over there. Well, she's leading the way now, guys. So. Most of this stuff just looks worse than it really is. It's just how you navigate it. Oh yeah, let me go first, why don't you? Oh, it's not so bad, babe. There's a trail right here. Oh, actually, it gets pretty bad. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you at the top. Oh, you're right behind me. You've come a long way. Cool. Huh. That's cool. It says we go left. What in the hell do we have here? Ooh! Hoo-hoo! Hit my foot peg on that rock. It looks like 12 other people did. I'll take the drop off. Woo, look at that. Look at that Trackmaster doing work. Down, don't you rev it. You're gonna spray me with mud.
So rev it to spray you with mud?
Yes, yes, so rev it to spray me with mud. No, you gotta give it like a half a can of beans. Not a full can, but just like a half a can. Once again, not a challenging area, guys. It's just figuring out how to deal with it. I am gonna wait for her to get all the way up this though. I have enough room here where I could actually start out and get moving. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, nice. Opens up a little bit here. That's cool. And right back to rocks. I mean, the rest of the trail could be like this for all I know. I have no idea. Another situation where I ask myself, what's the best way? All right, well, I'm gonna watch you and see what you do. Your leg's stuck on the smallest rock I've ever seen. Center was the easiest. No, I barely even got wet. Your throttle tube is kind of loose? How is that possible? This is really cool though. This is really clean water, it looks like. Oh, I'm in neutral. This is where those dry star boots would really come in handy. Dry star boots. Oh, almost lost it there. Yeah, I'm gonna, oh, I had to get past that one. There we go. Woo! Yeah, I know. That's the way I should have gone. Wow, this is something. Holy crap. Yeah, this is a crazy part here. Up ahead here. This is I don't know. It looks like you could continue right though once you start getting up on this, but I don't know where. Whew. I might have to walk this a little bit just to check this out here.